beautiful Christmas weekend. It's a little chilly out, but that's alright. We're rocking out our new Scorpion Yukon gear. We're gonna be riding this little bobber. You'll hear it in a second. I think it creates a little bit of volume. Get me up on the morning. And they want to change those pipes out today. Oh, it was the life of the party last night. Man, it has been wet as all get out these last few weeks. Cool thing is, as you can see, the Bubba and road mode, but if it started to get too wet, which it was last night, riding out the Dickens Festival, we slip it over in the rain mode. Dude, this bike is amazing. It's perfect setup with the mini apes, the brown barrel grips, and the different barn mirrors, which kind of are hindered a little bit, but look cool. People are just smooth, but it feels good to be back on two wheels. Get a little vlog out for you guys. Gonna have a little party tonight for the Moto Men. We're gonna have mojitos and margaritas, an M&M party for Moto Man. Already got the turdumpets smoked up, ready to rock and roll. Even gonna satisfy our vegetarians with a little veggie dish. Have a big ass bonfire, and the old fire chief and old Mike and Alphabet and all kinds of big dudes come down and hang out. I'm really digging what I got rocking out from Scorpion and Isaiah. Eric from Western Power Sports. This thing is going to be super trick. The way they velcro the pant legs up so you don't have to worry about a zipper, and you can kind of tighten them to your personal desire. It's beautiful coloring. Got a lot of compliments on it last night at the Dickens Festival downtown Roanoke. I like my digital tack on the old bobber. A little fly screen. I got the adjustable levers rocking over here. You've seen the video I just put out on this thing last week. LED turn signals, short fenders, fly screens, anodized levers. The exhaust, the airbox spots. Not wearing the appropriate gear. I got my Scorpion 18950 on. We're recording with the Cena 10C. I don't feel right aesthetically, but warmth and comfort wise, yeah, we could do this all day long. Got my waterproof gloves on. Oh, gotta break it in. Everything's a little bit tight, especially with additional chest protectors. I'm not used to wearing those on the street, just to track. So acclimating to a little different setup than I'm used to. To shift the gears to this thing, it's always sounding pretty freaking raunchy. It was the star of the show last night. Until the exhaust is making it have a little negative effect on the torque, man. I don't know. If I had just some Vance and Hines on there, that'd be pretty killer. Beautifully snow-capped last week. We got about 14 to 18 inches up in this area. It's awesome, but my Cena monitor wasn't freaking working for some reason. My charging cable was bad. I charged it that morning to watch it. I couldn't get anything with drone footage, and it was so much snow coming down, you really couldn't even get good drone footage. You couldn't see very far. But that's my wake-up juice right there, coming over the hill and seeing the beautiful mountain ridges. Oh, and I've got a collar on this Yukon jacket. It's going to protect my neck. That's always the first thing when you walk out. You're like, okay, I put all my gear on, we're going to be good. You go, oh, my neck, I can't breathe. You can't do anything. You just have this eyes glazed over, staring, trying to grab a handful of throttle to make it down the road. It's amazing how it's always sunny in Salem if it's not raining. Hell, even when it's raining, it's sunny sometimes. Beefing up our Motorman membership. We're going to have a lot of new members after this weekend. After today, we'll be meeting some guys at the shop, and then we got gentlemen coming to the party interested in hooking up and joining our good cause. We got friends like the Heat coming in. He's coming back in from New Mexico for family time in Lynchburg, and then gonna hang out at the shop with us on Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. No, Thursday. We only got 3 more days of the year for business, and in those 3 days I'm gonna be selling all Ducatis and all Triumphs at invoice plus setup and freight. You keep the damn incentive so you can be at or below invoice price on a new motorcycle, 18 and prior in stock. All of our used stuff is blown out. That's why I'm gonna have 3 used units going this morning. This thing needs to go right out front today. Let's do that. Perfection. Well, thanks for another little quick ride from the old Nate's hut to the Frontline Eurosports facility. Let you see what we were riding. Got a little dirty last night, but that's okay. It's raining. It was wet out. That beautiful little beast. She looks sexy up there. Everybody thinks so. So let's go start the day. Got Mark coming up from North Carolina, get him a multi-strada 1260. We got Mr. Drain coming in for Chip's old Scrambler, which is a super hot rod. I got one of my old customers, Brian, coming in for the FJ09 that Brent traded us a while ago. Not too long ago. Just did that video 2 weeks ago. Alright. See how beautiful it is in here today. Well, you guys have a good one. We'll take it as it comes.